why Honeybee making this chain bee? I don't know what they call. The one reason is because inside the hive is too hot and they're coming out hanging there to make themselves cool, and another reason is too many, the population of the inside is too much. That's why they come and stay outside. But in this case, because inside is too hot, that's why they're coming outside like that. This is a plastic hive. The other one is a wooden one. The wooden one looks cooler. This one is look hot. I hope you enjoy. Put a like button please.